Hello student, today we'll see AWT. AWT is an API application program interface and it is used to develop attractive GUI. AWT components are platform dependent components, means components are displayed according to the view of operating system. Means your GUI will change as per your OS. Before using this component, we need to import packages. And packages are java.awt package. Again, we need java.applet package also. Class hierarchy for panel and frame. Superclass is a component and subclasses are container, window, frame, dialog, panel, applet. Likewise, button, label, checkbox, choice, and scroll bar. Container is divided into two subclasses, window and panel, and window is divided into two subclasses, frame and dialog, and applet is a subclass of panel class. Means panel is a superclass for applet and window is a superclass for frame and dialog. We'll see all these container one by one. Component. All the elements like button, text field, scroll bar, radio button, checkbox are known as a components. Container. Container is a place wherein we can add components like text field, button, checkbox, etc. There are five types of container: window, frame, dialog, and panel. Means container arrange the component properly in a window. Window has a no border and no title. It uses border layout as a default layout manager. As here mentioned, border layout. In border layout, there are five regions and we'll get the output in different regions like north, east, west, south and center. We'll see layout manager in detail later. Panel is container that doesn't contain title bar and menu bar. It can have other components like text field, button, etc. Means in panel gives us area to add the component. Next container is a dialog. Dialog class has a border and title. Frame, it is a subclass of window and has title bar, menu bar, border and resizing corners. Applet, applet is a Java program that can be embedded in web page. In simple, program written in Java for internet is called as applet. It runs inside the web browser and works as a client side. Applet is embedded in an HTML page using applet tag and hosted on a web server. To write AWT program, we can use either Frame and Applet. But Frame is used for standalone application and Applet is used for internet purpose. AWT supports are following types of control, or you can say components. Components and controls are same. First we'll see label components. I have mentioned here this is label, name is called as a label here. Second container is a text field. Second component is a text field. Text field is here. This is called as a text field. This area is called as a text field. You can enter here name also. And this is label. Third is text area. If number of line entries are there, then you can use text area. Suppose address field is there, then you have to choose check text area. Next is button. I have not created any button here. You have seen everywhere button is there. Like in any registration form, submit button is there. In login screen, once you log in, everywhere you have to submit the login details. That is called as a button. Click on button login like this. Checkbox. This is called as a checkbox. See, this one is a checkbox. Checkbox means multiple choices are there. You can select multiple option at a time. This is checkbox symbol. This one is checkbox. Choice, this is called as a choice. When a number of entries are there, suppose college list is there, and if you want to select one of the option from that list, then you can go for choice. And list is also similar to the choice. This is called as a list. but there are more facilities in list comparatively choice class. And menu, you can create a menu here like editor. There are different menus: file menu, edit menu. Inside the edit menu there is a cut and paste. In file menu there is new, save as, open, print. Like this we can create editor by using this menu class. All these are components. We'll see all these components one by one. And these controls are subclasses of component, as we have seen in previous slide. Once you have created the component object, we need to add that object in applet window by using add method. Syntax is component add component object. Suppose if you have created label object, then we need to add here only add and label class object here inside this bracket. Similarly, we can remove the components also created by user. Then remove method is void remove component object. Whichever object here you can write that object here. And void remove all, another method, remove to remove all component we can go for this method. It will remove all the components from applet window. First we'll see label class. The easiest control to use is a label. Label is an object of type label and it contains a string which it displays. Label are passive control that do not support any interaction with the user. Means you cannot perform any event handling activity on label class. Label class. Label defines the following constructor. First constructor is a label. It creates a blank label. Then second constructor is a string str. It creates a label that contains string specified by str. This label constructor will create a label but will not get any label by using first constructor. It is empty. Second constructor, you will get a label with the specified string here. And third constructor having two parameters, string str int how. Int how means suppose if you want label to be right justified, left justified or in center, you can write here the constant in this way. Label dot left, label dot right or label dot center. We'll get the output as per this constant. I have written here a small code. I have created two label here. Before creating the object of the label class, we need to go step by step. First, import the package. Import java.awt.star. Import java.applet.star. All packages are start with small case. These are the packages. AWT is package, applet is also package, and Java is also package. And packages are always separated by dot operator, and star indicates that all files available with this package. Packages are collection of classes, methods, and interfaces. Then write public class label 123 extends applet. Inside init method, I have created two objects, label L1 and label L2, and given the string here label 1 and label 2. In Java, all objects are created by using operator new. Once you create the object of label class label, then we need to add that object by using add method. Add L1, I have added here L1 means you will get this one, and added L2 means you will get these two here. L2 because L1 value is 1 and L2 object value is 2 here. And after this add method, it will add these two labels into this applet window. Then close this init method and I have closed this class here. And this is applet tag. Everyone know this applet tag. Applet code, this is actually HTML file. Applet code label code is equal to label 123. Same name should be here. It should be reflected here. I have given here label 123, here also label 123, width 200 and height 200, and I have closed here applet tag. Width is 200 and height is 200 means this is your window size. This window size is 200 by 200 pixel. Suppose if you write here 300 and 300, you will get a bigger size window here. First, we need to import packages. Import java.awt.star. Then again we need one more package, import java.applet.star. Yeah, dot star. Packages are always separated with dot operator. Then public class label 123 extends applet. Applet is a class. Instead of applet, you can write frame also. Public class, public void method. We need a init method, public void init. In this init method, we can create a component label L1 equal to new label. As you all know, in Java, objects are created by using new operator. Label name is 1. Create one more label. Suppose object is L2. New label. Suppose label is 2. You can write any string in double quotation here, and here anything written in double quotation will be displayed as it is. Once you create the object of label class, we need to add that object in applet window. Then I have added here L1, then likewise add L2. Close the init method and close the class. Then add applet tag here. Applet code label 123 width and height 200 by 200. Then close applet tag and put in side comment. By using this width and height, we'll get applet window with 200 pixel width and 200 pixel height. Then after this, save this file. Save with class name. I have given the class name label 123.java and create as a class file. We need to save this file inside bin. I will choose here JDK 1.8. You can save in 1.2 also. Then select bin and save this file. Okay. Now here we'll get the same label 123 I have given here. The same name will be your file name. Then run this file through command prompt. First compile this file and run this file by using applet viewer command. We get output like this. We have created two label 1 and label 2. This is our result. Label class has following methods: void set text. Suppose if you are using first constructor, that is default constructor, this one default constructor means there is no label. But by using this method set text, we can set the label get text. We can retrieve the label here by using get text method. Set alignment, even you can set the alignment using set alignment method. In how here you can write that label dot right, label dot left, label dot center. Yeah, you can write value also here 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1 and 2. Int get alignment, it will obtain the current alignment. Here, how must be one of the alignment constant shown earlier. Next component is a button. The most widely used control is the push button. Push button is a component that contains label and that generates an event when it is pressed. Constructors are button. This is default constructor. It creates an empty button, meaning it creates a button but there is no caption with the button. You will get only button symbol here. Then second constructor is button string str. It creates a button that contains str as a label. Whichever you are writing here, you will get as it is on your button. Means button B2 new button login. Means your button, you'll get a button with the caption login. I have written again here a small program. The same is here, import package, then applet tag I written over here, then extend the applet class, init method. I have set the background, two methods I have used here, set background and the set foreground, and color as a red, this is called as a background color, and this is called blue as a text color. And created the two button. I have used here second constructor and first constructor because of there is no label in first constructor of button class, that is empty. That's I have used here second constructor of button class. Button B1 new button. I have given label here yes. Button B2 new button no, and added once you create the object here B1 and B2, then add it B1 first and you can add in any order, then it will get B2. Suppose if you added B2 first here, then you will get no button here, and then B1 next you will get S button. Likewise, according to this, your output will change. Then save the file and run that file, will get this output. One more thing, packages always, I have used here two packages, AWT and applet. Packages are always start with small case and classes are always start with capital letter. See here, applet is a class, it start with capital letter. Button is a class, then it is also start with capital letter. Methods always start with small case. Methods are here, init method, it start with small case. Set background is a method, it is start with small case. It is also start with small case. And add is also method, it start with small case. Methods of button class. Set label, it is used to set the label to the button. Then get label, it is used to retrieve the caption associated with the button. Checkbox. Checkbox is a control that is used to turn an option on or off. It consists of small box that can either contain a check mark or not. There are 5 constructors of checkbox. It creates checkbox whose label is initially blank and state of the checkbox is unchecked. Means you will get only here a square box and there is no label Checkbox string, it create a checkbox whose label is specified by str. Checkbox 2 will get a checkbox with label English. Then third constructor checkbox str boolean on. We can change the state also by putting here true or false. Boolean on means either true or false. Suppose if you are putting here true, you will get a checkbox with tick mark. Then third constructor, this fourth constructor is used to create a radio button. These two constructor checkbox string str boolean on checkbox group object, and here both are same, only sequence is changed here. These constructor are used to create a radio button. Radio button means we can select only one option at a time. The difference between checkbox and radio button is checkbox is multiple choice is there, but in radio button single choice is there. We cannot go for multiple option in radio button. But in that case, we need to create the checkbox group object first, and then that object we need to add here. Then only we'll get a radio button. This is simple program for how to create a checkbox. Then these statements are same here. Again, import package. Every program we need to import package. Every program we need to add a applet tag. Then extends applet here. I have written all code using applet. The another method is using frame also. We can write public void init checkbox b1. This I have used here second constructor of checkbox, and here I have used third constructor of checkbox. As I have written here too, that's why we got I got output like this. tick mark here because of this true. Suppose if you write here false, this is unchecked. Like this, we'll get the output. And default status is unchecked in second constructor. That's why this checkbox is unchecked. But we got this label because of I have written over here C++. That's why it is displayed in output. Then Java written over here, it is displayed here Java. Once you create the object of the checkbox, then we need to add it by using add method v1 and v2. And method of checkbox boolean get state. It is used to return the current state of the checkbox. Set state, it is used to set the state. Get label, it is used to obtain the current label associated with the checkbox. Suppose if you are using get state method here, so it will return true. Set state, we can set the state. And suppose if you are using get label method here, suppose how to use that method, so v2 dot get label, it will return the label Java.